short signal. Did anybody do that? Anyone? No one. All right. All right. Newer traders, wait 6 minutes. Move the open. You guys know ready?
Showtime.
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 More aggressive people. There's our push up that we thought was on the YM, close to the open. So just be patient. More advanced people, as soon as we get a little direction, you can start jumping in. Decent sell signal on the ES, decent one on the YM. Most people don't trade the open. Wait, there'll be plenty of opportunities. Bigger account sizes, more consistent traders, you can trade the open. Everybody else, wait your 6 minutes, please. And it's really not just 6 minutes, guys. It's whatever time it takes for us to get some good direction and have a good trade with influence. So you're not just pressing buttons at 6 minutes. Sometimes it's 10 o'clock before a really good trade comes along. Sometimes it's 9:34 and a good trade comes along. So, guys, you just got to be flexible and understand that we're just looking for the market to give us direction during the open, and then have enough confidence that that's a higher probability trade. That's it. So if it happens at 9:34, if it happens at 9:30, 9:52, great. Bigger M on the YM, guys. Another sell signal. Little M starting to form on the ES. Those on the YM, get your targets off. Those on the ES, now you got your targets off. Anybody with permission to trade the open catching a piece of this one? A little range being built here on the ES. The YM's trying to do the same thing. YM giving you another little chance. Yes, probably want to stay away from it for a little bit, guys, unless you want to play around with some chop. Stick on the sidelines so it swings out of that. Exciting stuff here. Exciting stuff. Monday morning. Make it a great week, guys. Be patient. Wait for your trade setup. You don't have to do every trade that I talk through. For you not do every trade I talk through.
Yeah.
We have a lot of people that are very experienced, guys. Just a reminder. Try to do this once a week now. A lot of people that are experienced out there that can take a lot of different kinds of trades. And then we got a lot of people who are just learning to be consistent. Your job is to pick the trade that fits in your plan that we talk through. For instance, nice little swing on the ES now. Could be looking at a decent little sell signal coming up here in a bit. Everybody else, here's the push up we thought we were going to get coming into the open, or somewhere close to it. All right, let's get some ES zones updated here. Hey, that's 6 minutes.
There it is.
Get a little bit of a sell signal now. On top, the YM. Maybe just be a little bit more patient on it. Another little sell signal, guys. Wow, looks like the M's going to be the name of the game on the ES today. I'm starting to range now too. So here's what you do, guys. Your target's off pretty quick, and well, to a no lose situation. Then, if the market continues to run, let's try to stay in it. Miami's going to try to turn into an uptrend here in a second. We're going to go right back into that daily range we were trading in. So there you go, guys. Market is telling us what it wants to do. So we're going to go with our initial comments, right? It'll be a range down day. Stick with the trend as long as we stay below the overnight highs. So more experienced traders trade from the extremes. Like now. Or you wait for the zones. There's a 9-tick rule on the ES, 16-tick rule on the YM. If you're not good at getting your targets off, it's again, guys, it's not a 30-tick rule YM. It's a 16-tick rule. So if you're not in this short, somewhere around, say, 81, that's not good. ES, never came back, took your original stop. So you should still be in on the short side with ES. You guys catching a little piece of the short now? Patience pays off. Yeah. There's you guys a good little short trade to start the week off. There's 2 short calls to get you guys a little change, a little jingle in your trading accounts. Get a few people catching it. You guys remember from Friday's conversation, I have set the indicator on both the YM and ES to only give us signals with the trend. So you guys might want to take a look at that today. Trading with the trend. See if those trade signals actually could end up being profitable. Stay short for now. Stops down a little bit. Job sway. Stops down just a little bit, guys. And stay in the short for right now. YM. We got a few people catching a piece of this. All short, guys. Who all is short? Here's your trade of the morning. Stay in it. Good job, guys. Stay on the short side. All right. Plan's working today. Stops down a little bit more. And some people on the ES are probably looking at a runner soon. So stops down a little bit more on the YM. $90 gets one person a runner on the ES. Let's see, I got one person. $80 gets a runner on the YM. So let's try to stay with it, guys. Bouncing off a little support there on the ES. So we'll see if this wants to become a range. If you're worried about this being a buy signal that could be counter against you, just squeeze your stop down and go flat. If not, leave yourself in a position where you could possibly try to get the runner. Lock in the number of points you want to lock in, guys. Ticks, points, deer ticks. job, Stuart. Way to go. That might be your 2 trades, Stuart. Good job. All right. There's obviously a long signal for you counter trend traders. Does look like we want to be good morning so far. Yeah. Be patient. Stick with the trend. Be patient, guys. Don't need to take a ton of trades this morning. Get a few trades in. Let the market chop around a little bit. And again, those of you that want to try to stay in the trade, you can. YM's pushing up, so ES may do that here in just a second. YM's going to give you another chance. If the ES keeps moving down, guys, YM's going to give you another chance to get in short, so don't worry about that. If not, you're trading long from the lower side of the range. $16 tick rule about the form on the YM. Yes, again, you got that hook down in stochastic to get back short if you wanted to. 9 tick rule. So again, those of you that got flat, there's your second chance. Get your targets off. That's pretty easy.
Yeah.
Targets off, stop to a no lose. If you did it. Who's catching the second chance? Who is now catching your second chance on this? Be short. Everybody that missed the first one, the market said, you know what? Here, I'll give you another nice little easy trade to take. Nice, guys. Nice job, guys. Hey, Young Kane, Lulu, good job. King David. There we go. T-Light. Everybody's getting a little piece of that action. Make sure you get your targets off. Just move your stops. No lose. If it takes you out, you get another chance at it. If it doesn't, stay in. Yes, just again, this is that territory where you guys got to do the math yourself and make sure until we start running one direction or the other, make sure you have yourself in a no lose situation. Got to do the math yourself. Oh, that's interesting. Didn't even think about that this morning. Tick chart's not working. Yeah, we'll worry about that one later.
It is bizarre.
Stay short on the YM now, guys. Just squeeze your stops a little bit more now. Maybe 943 be a good stop on the YM right now. Assuming that you've taken profit targets off. Yes, you might be thinking about being flat or just have your stop still in a no lose situation. Up to you. Maybe so a little bit tighter on the YM, like in a couple more ticks of profit, maybe like 940. Yes, I think you guys still trying to hold strong on the short side. If the YM wants to keep going down, the ES is probably going to follow suit here in just a second. So definitely stay in that YM short, guys. And again, like I said, the ES will probably follow suit here in just a second. A couple more ticks on the YM stop, guys. Maybe 930 at a minimum. Let's look back here and see what we got. Once they keep running down, 924. 924 on the YM short. 9:21 now on the YM short. Yes, still trying to hold tight to that short position. A few people short on the YM. 9:14 now on your stop. Yes, you're still trying to hold short. 9:07 on your stop. How many people are still holding on to that short? YM should be pretty easy, guys. Who's got the YM short? Still holding on. Good job. Good job. Good job, Fritz. Trucking. Good job. Nice. David, good job. Maybe a couple more ticks. 9:05. Still trying to hold on that ES short, guys. If you're in the ES, you're still trying to hold on to it. And might want to be thinking about being flat now on the YM or hold at 9:05. 9:05 is a good stop. Your choice at that on the YM. It's moving up. You might want to go ahead and be flat on the YM. Obviously, you guys are flat now on the ES. There you go. Good job, guys. Good little trade. Might get another chance here on the ES in a minute. Nice, Lope. Good job. Good job, guys. Way to go.
Good job, everybody.
Man, those of you
Nice.
that are new, welcome to the club.
Yeah.
Prepare to be amazed. You'll leave your stop in. Be flat on both ES and Y, or definitely flat on the ES. Probably going to grab it on the YM anyway. ES really wants to be a two-way trading environment right now. ES is just screaming with these bottoms that you guys can take those M's and W's. There you go, guys. M's and W's on the ES today. That'll work. Just take those swings from the extremes on the short side. So there you have it. For you more advanced traders, you're taking the W's long and the M's short on the ES. And in the YM, I think you're probably still just looking for those sell signals. Be patient. Good trade, everyone. That'll keep you rocking in the free world. So two trades after 9:36. 2 successful trades after 9:36.
That's what I was going to say. 2 successful trades.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You might be getting a little bit of an M, tiny little M to form here on the ES. I wouldn't do this if this is your first trade of the day, but if you got some change in your pocket, I want to take a shot at the M on the ES. 16 tick rule on the YM. Coming out of a zone. Again, if it's your first trade of the day, you might want to say, let me pass on that. Maybe not. Target's off. And there you go. Who's doing it again? Pretty simple. There you go. Nice job, guys. This is in one of those mornings where we just press the Where's this button?
That was easy.
That was easy.
And again, as always, guys, stops to no lose. One of these is going to run on you, so or take 50 ticks at a time on the YM and
Yeah,
2 or 3 points at a time on the ES. That'll work on a ball.
it doesn't suck. I'll take it.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, exactly. We take ticks for tips. We take
Yes.
ticks for tips.
Take ticks for tips.
All right, stops down a little bit. You do sound like you're a little
Yeah,
there, buddy.
This head cold's got me. It's like I can't hear out my ears. Just wonderful.
Ugh.
Having a blast.
Ugh. At least you're
I'm
making some
here.
money trading.
I say I'm here and I'm trading, so head cold can't
Stops
stop
down
me.
a little bit on the Y. I like it.
I will
This
be
head cold's
quiet.
not going to stop me.
No, head cold can't stop me.
Good. What we'll clear out is a little bit of Flonase. We'll clear that.
Yeah,
muscles out in a heartbeat.
They gave me some. I did one of those video doctor things over the weekend. And gave me that. And some other decongestant thing.
Without pressure, yeah.
Just
Down a couple more on the YM. Who all's in the YM short? A couple more ticks. All right, a couple more ticks on the YM. Same as before. This is the area where kind of, let's say, 880, 888. Probably a good stop on the YM. ES, let it make a new low before you pull that stop down some. Well, all right, ES, you can go down a couple more ticks. 2450, probably a good stop on the ES. Back down to the area that the ES is just battling with on the bottom side. Maybe a couple more ticks on the YM. Something like 85 now. I'd be okay with a stop there. Yes, if it takes you out, well, move on to the next one. Lock in a couple points. Move on to the next one. Does it take you out? Stay in the trade. YM still wants to move down, so you would think at some point the ES will start to follow suit. There you go, flat again on the ES, so probably want to squeeze those stops a little bit on the YM then. 83 now, or be flat on the YM. This looks like it wants to go down though, so you might want to hold those stops tight on the YM guys and try to get back in on the ES. But it's a good trade, so just be patient. Don't just jump into anything. Just be out there pressing them buttons, but try to stay short. If the YM wants to keep going down, you want to be probably want to be short in the ES right now. If not, be flat. Stay on the sidelines. A few good trades. Keep doing this all day. One runner for Green Jeans there. Since he missed Friday's fun time. Friday worked out pretty well, guys. Right? Friday worked out pretty well. So far, good start on the Monday too, guys. Let's see what time is it? Not even 10 o'clock yet. Look at that. Let's watch the market. Sit back and take a break for a second, guys. Let's see if the markets really want to treat this as support. Back in the saddle again. I can't do the Aerosmith voice.
I just read somewhere he's having some problems or something. Some voice
That's what I
problems.
heard.
Yeah.
What's that?
As I read, he's having voice problems or something.
At this
Steven
point,
Tyler.
you would think so, right?
Yeah.
At some point, that's got to happen.
Yeah.
At some
especially
point, that's got to
as
happen.
high pitched as he is. Yeah. Strained those
No
vocal
kidding.
cords his whole life.
Vocal cord massage therapist.
I think it's something more serious than that. That popped up in one of my news feeds.
ZS is chopping, so just let it swing out.
Yeah.
Wait for the next swing, guys. YM, I would be patient. I've had some good, nice little swings on the YM here, guys, this morning. Nice swings to trade out of. Now it's starting to get a little choppy looking as well, so just be patient. Everybody should have a little bit of green in their pockets this morning at this point. So we're going to start early today. We're going to say, is there anybody that needs some help yet? If you need help, let me know. You can send me a private message. Send Coach Paul a private message. Let us know. We will help you out. If you need a trade, let us know, guys. Time to start telling us so we can help you. Just be patient, guys. Unless you're scalping on the long side right now, you're just being patient. Started to probably get a sell signal here in a sec. I can say no swing, no trade, right, guys? Oh, it's still, again, this is that territory where, guys, you're not getting new lows on the ES. Time for the day. I was just about to talk about the Crable. There it is. Crable trade is in effect, guys. Thank you, Lunatic. Crable trade is in effect for both the YM and ES, guys. YM's a little bit more expanded, but you could still treat it. A little sell signal forming on the YM. 16 tick rule, guys, not a 30 tick rule. So if you are late to the party, you don't get in the trade. There is a sell signal on the YM, though. So you're looking at this on the ES saying, okay, can't make new lows, not making new highs now. Start to think to yourself, I want to chill out on the ES for a little bit. Or take a light counter trend long if it breaks the swing high. If you're big profitable, you could do that. If you're not, sit on your hands. Probably look for a 9 tick rule from this prior swing if that starts to form. Guys, you can probably look at that on the ES. It's off, but again, like I said, if it's your first trade of the day, probably won't sit on the sidelines for it. First trade of the day, you may want to sit on the sidelines for. All right, definitely targets off on the YM. There you go. Yes, about to follow suit. Nice job, Lope. Targets off on the ES. And stop to no lose. Just like before. You guys doing a little bit of this? Round number 3. Who is catching it? Everybody? All right. All right. That's all right. That is all right. Sit on your hands. If you guys, if you got 2 or 3 good trades this morning, and you're not the person that can effectively trade more than 5 or 6 times a day, you might want to think about being done now. Follow Coach Lope's cue here and start being done for the day, guys. Don't be greedy.
Yep.
Don't be greedy.
Yep.
Good job, Green Jeans. ES gave you a second chance. YM, you just stay short. Stops down a couple ticks, maybe to like, let's see, 88 again. 88 was a good one before. 88 might work again. ES again gave you a second chance. Again, if you're trading the ES and you're a newer trader right now, heed my words. It's a little choppy on the ES right now, right, guys? So if you're not getting your trade in at a proper entry, you're not trading the ES right now. Okay? Thank you, Green Jeans. If you're good enough to get a proper entry, then you can trade the ES and get your targets off. Like I said, it gave you a second chance. Staying short now, guys. Everybody staying short. Everybody staying short. Understand the words coming out of my mouth? Hint, hint, nod, nod.
Right, that crable too. On YM.
We'll listen one day, Paul.
Maybe.
One day they'll listen.
It's okay. I'll take it. They don't want it. I'll take it.
Yeah, I like it. More ticks on the YM on the stop there, guys. Probably do 72. Yes, if you got the late entry, just wait a minute. Now you get your targets off. Now you can move your stops down a little bit on the ES. 394 would work. Every time the YM goes down to a little zone, prior swing, pops back up. So let's see if it breaks this time. It is back into support on the YM. Yes, you're just holding on to the short for now. Back in support on the YM. Just keeps the ES just keeps pushing on the door of support here, guys. Just keeps knocking on the door. So maybe we'll see one more push to push through it. Maybe. Now you're flat again. Look at that, guys. See how that works? You're in a range. See those M's and W's working on the ES, guys? I told you that earlier. Anybody do the long trade on the ES with the W? Did anybody do that? Everybody sticking with the trend then today. All right. Don't like that the ES can't knock out that low. Good job, Stuart. Great job this morning, everyone. Get this thing wrapped up early, huh?
Yeah.
Have everything this morning's going to be done. I don't know what else. I mean, how many times do we keep going to the well in this short, guys? Before we say, maybe let's just think about this for a minute, right? Seriously, guys, think about this. Probably going to see maybe a little bit of a rally now. So I want to sit on your hands a little bit. Now's the time to sit on your hands, not from before. If you want to try another sell signal, good Coach Low Cab. There's the ES and YM starting to form another sell signal. Ooh, but if you do this one's on you, guys. All right. We've had plenty of good ones early. So if you do the sell signal at ESYM, get your targets off quick. That's the only thing I can tell you is had a lot of chances this morning, and this is my favorite one. Let me put it that way. Is that a good way to say it, guys? Had a lot of chances this morning. This one's not my favorite one. So you take those words with whatever you want to take them with. Grain of salt. Actual thought process. Just hanging tight for a minute, guys. Unless you're long on the counter trend long, you're just chilling out. Fire swing high, you could start to look for a little bit of maybe an M, but that would be it. YM, just let it keep rallying up a little bit more. I'd probably look at that with an M as well. Nice job, Stuart. Let's give that man a gong.
Yes.
There's your M. Again, guys, take with caution at this point. And Stuart, here you go, buddy. See what a little patience will do for you guys. Let it rally up a little bit. Anybody catching a piece of the short again on the ES or YM? Got two good short signals. that we just talked through right before a second ago. Nice job, guys. Farouk, good job. Stops to a no lose. And sit back and relax. Let this puppy run back down on you. If it doesn't, oh well, you got a decent little trade. Make sure you have targets off. Pay yourself to stay in the trade. You guys know that. Nicely done.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls, just visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your 3-day trial. During your trial with us, you'll have access to live trade calls, participation in chat to have questions answered by our coaches, live classes, training modules, and indicators. Just visit libertytradingclub.com. And after your first 3 days, it's just $149 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.